Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 automatic Fibonacci levels. Here we're trading the ES March contract, and our Fibonacci levels basically they plot automatically so you don't have to draw them. And we also have a couple other features in them called the daily open, which is the yellow dotted line that you see there. So that's the line in the sand that a lot of other fib indicators don't have. And so usually when price loses that area, it'll go down to the next. So I was scalping here in the afternoon the ES as it ran to the highs into a resistance area. So I just loaded up 5 contracts with the ATM strategy.
New visitor.
And basically looking for a quick scalp on these 5 contracts, trading down to the next fib level. So it hit its first target right here on one of the contracts at 40.35.50 for 2 points. And then we had 4 contracts left, and it came down and dipped a little lower than the fib level and took out our other contracts for a nice gain. And that's how support and resistance works with the fib indicators. Now if the market is weak, it'll sell down to this level here next. So on this trade, we netted over $600 in gains on the trade. And we have one more to show you. So this trade here is a little later in the day, after 3 o'clock. The market's still teetering near these highs here. And we change our ATM strategy to trade just 3 contracts. And again here, the price fell below that daily open line again. And our target was down to this fib level, but I was hoping it would go down here. And we're trading 3 contracts. And so it moves down a little, goes below the fib. And sometimes you always hope for more. And when you trade on hope, you might as well smoke some dope, because there's no good thing of trading on hope. It was in a chat room years ago, and the guy says, we're going to go long here and hope it works out. So I shorted the play, and everybody in the room lost, and I won. So anytime I hear somebody, seminar or some guru saying they're going to hope everything works, they don't know what the hell they're doing. So right there would have been a good exit, because what's going to happen here is it's going to dip below, they're going to take out some stops, and then it's going to bounce a little. And that's exactly what happened. So we had over $500 gain, and then we exited here, closed it out, and we ended up with $450. So on those 2 trades, just scalping in the afternoon for about a half hour, 40 minutes, over $1,000 in those 2 trades. And then I was done pretty much for the afternoon trading, and then I come back here, about 20 minutes left to go, pull up to look at the chart again, and here it is. Once it lost this fib level once again after 335, it sold off down to that 78.6, which I thought it would earlier, that I hoped on. And then it even went down to this daily fib level. This green line here is also the 2 main important lines in the sand. You have your open, and then you have your daily the daily fib. So those 2 levels are the main key support levels throughout the day, and once price loses one level, it usually goes down to the next, as you see. But I had left for a brief run an errand and came back and obviously missed the trade. But it goes to show you the power of the Fibonacci levels that we use each day in trading. And in trading the fibs, when price dips below one fib level and crosses the next, that's a long entry. And you'll see what happens next. So here's the sell-off to the main support, like I said, the daily fib line. And then buyers are going to come in and watch the market reverse. And up we go. So a long would have been had right here over the fib line. And up the price goes. Your first target would have been here, and then all the way up near 40.33, but it stalled out at 40.31. So that would have been another quick scalp on a fib reversal going into the last 15 minutes of trading, and that's how you trade the fibs. But we had already made our profit for the afternoon, and we banked it and didn't take the trade. But if I had just come back here at say 345 and seen this, this is a great setup. And you know, it's a fast trade, and your fastest trades are your best ones. So that's how the Trading123 fibs work. Here's our previous trade that we did. And as you see, once it hung around this fib line, it went into this resistance here, sold off for a really good move over 10 points. And our fibs work very well in the market each day, no matter what you trade. So for more information, go to our website, trading123.net, and click on the indicator tab and look for the Fibonacci's indicator. They're automatic Fibonacci levels that plot on the chart for you. You don't have to draw them, and they move intraday with the highs and lows of the market. So they're always precise and accurate. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and hit that like button, and follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.